Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to forward stickers from your chat on Instagram. Stickers add a fun touch to your conversations, and sharing them with friends is just a few taps away. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and stickers. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It looks like a paper airplane. Tap on it to enter your direct messages where all your conversations are stored. Once you're in your messages, find and open the chat that contains the sticker you want to forward. Scroll through your messages until you locate the sticker you wish to share. Now here comes the fun part. Click and hold on the sticker until a menu pops up. This will give you several options related to that sticker. From this menu, select Forward. This action will allow you to send that sticker to someone else. After selecting Forward, you'll be prompted to choose the recipients for your sticker. You can select one or multiple people from your list of contacts. Once you've made your selections, simply click Send to share the sticker with them. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded a sticker from your chat on Instagram. It's a simple process that adds a little extra fun to your conversations and helps keep everyone connected with those creative expressions. Remember, sharing stickers is not just about fun. It's also a great way to engage with friends and make your chats more lively. So go ahead and spread some joy by forwarding those stickers. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting!